There are 17 million cars sold each year in the United States. Today I will be talking to you about the automobiles and its qualities. My name is Alvin Rivera and I have been researching this topic. And today we are going to have three main points. They are how automobiles have evolved over the years. I'm going to talk to you about are automobiles safe to drive, and I'm going to talk to you about why are cars so expensive. So my first point is how automobiles have evolved over the years. According to Jet Set magazine, the evolution of transportation has always fascinated humankind. However, the challenges that the society was facing made it very difficult. But eventually the transportation vehicles had evolved. Transportation technology has always been a key to one of our most successful, powerful, and most technological growth. During the Stone Age, we walked on a solid earth and swam across rivers in a dugout canoes. By 1672, we had built the first steamboat and powered car. In 1803, we created steamboats. By 1807, we had built a hydrogen-powered internal combustion car. And the invention of the automobile was first invented in Germany and France, but in the late 1800s, Americans quickly dominated the automotive industry, and between the first and half of the 20th century, by 1901, William Maybach designed Mercedes, and he deserves credit for being the first modern motor car in all the essentials. Henry Ford innovated a mass production line called the assembly line, which created a mass production. So Ford, Chrysler had created overall automotive industry. So now for my second main point, are automobiles safe to drive? According to the NHTSA, also known as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, a number of today's new motor vehicles have technology that helps drivers avoid drifting into adjacent lanes, like making unsafe lane changes. These and other safety technologies uses a combination of hardwares like sensors, cameras, and radars to avoid collisions. So the software helps vehicles identify like a certain safety risk so that they can warn the driver to act and avoid a crash. The types of crash testing that the NHTSA assigns is a single overall safety score that combines the results from a front, side, and a rollover test. So another safety crash test is a front crash results that increase to 35 miles per hour full frontal crash test that uses a new fifth percentile that's a small female dummy to ensure the safety of the driver. And finally, for my third main point, why cars cost so much. So according to the US News, a new car average is around 37,000 to 577. The higher quality the car is, the more expensive it is. Generally, the car is cheaper, but your vehicle safety systems is subject to a higher expense. The federal government or other regulators inputs these safety regulations to ensure the safety of a driver. The car features are turn signals, rear view camera, stability control, and airbags to ensure the safety of the driver. So now if you wanted a vehicle that is cheaper, then the cost would vary depending on the features that you would like. So in conclusion, I have talked to you about automobiles and its qualities, and I have done that by talking to you about how automobiles have evolved, and are automobiles safe to drive, and why cars cost so much. So now you know more about automobiles and its qualities. And so anytime that you see a car, you would know more information about it.